In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert DXF into AutoCAD drawing. A DXF, or Drawing Exchange Format, is a widely used file type for sharing CAD geometry between different software. If you've received a floor plan, a site survey, or any vector layout as a DXF, bringing it into your active AutoCAD drawing is quick and straightforward. First, have your DXF file ready. That simply means the file is saved in a location you can easily reach, like your desktop or a project folder you work from regularly. Make sure it's not still inside a compressed folder and that the file extension ends with .dxf. You don't need to convert it or rename it, just confirm it opens or at least previews correctly where it's stored. Keeping the file name clear and versioned helps you identify it at a glance. With the DXF ready, switch to your open AutoCAD drawing where you want to place the content. Position the AutoCAD window so you can also see your file location. Now, drag and drop it to your open AutoCAD drawing. Click and hold the DXF file in your file browser, drag your cursor over the AutoCAD canvas, and when your cursor is over the drawing area, release the mouse button to drop it in. AutoCAD will prompt you to select a selection point, which is simply the spot where the DXF will land inside your drawing. Click anywhere you want the insertion to occur. If you're aiming for precision, choose a meaningful spot in your drawing, like a corner, a midpoint, or a known reference location, so the geometry aligns where you expect. After you click, AutoCAD places the DXF content right at that point. That's all there is to it. The geometry from the DXF is now part of your current drawing, showing up on whatever layers and line types were defined in the file. If it seems unusually large or small, that's typically a difference in units between the DXF source and your drawing, but the content has been inserted correctly at the point you clicked. If you don't see it immediately, it may be just off your current view. Panning or zooming around your insertion point usually reveals it. To recap, have your DXF file ready, then drag and drop it onto your open AutoCAD drawing, and when prompted, select a selection point. Once you place it, you're ready to keep working with your combined geometry. Simple, fast, and reliable. Exactly what you need when you're moving data between projects.